took a 2-month trip to Hawaii as we prepare to possibly move there. What you just saw is us saying goodbye to my mother. We left from Detroit Metropolitan and we are off in the sky.
24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories.
Okay, you guys, so we flew Alaska Airlines. I love Alaska Airlines. The first time I went to Hawaii, I flew Alaska Airlines. What I love the most about this trip is that because of the current situation, they always kept the middle seat open. So it was always just me and my daughter the whole way there. We caught 2 5-hour flights. They were very long, but Alaska Airlines was amazing. You get Wi-Fi, you get a free movie app where you get to watch movies the entire flight when you fly with Alaska Airlines. And we also had different plugs on the seats to charge up our phones whenever we needed. So for the most part, we had a pretty good flight. I always let Skyla sit next to the window so that she could be able to see outside because I've been to Hawaii before. So I really wanted this to be an experience. All worth it in the end when we saw the island of Oahu. Skyla was so excited. We were so happy. I felt like I was home again and I couldn't wait to explore Hawaii with my daughter. We stayed on the west side of the island in Makaha Valley, which staying in for over a month. And yeah, here you go. I'm going to show you guys around as we put up to our apartment.
Oh, I do see it. You didn't know to get it. That's how you record that. There you go. Okay, we gotta go. Yes.
No, the rain stopped. The rain come and go so much here. It's crazy. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this manifestation. I don't even really know what to say. This manifestation is just crazy. All I did was just sit up and think about how it would feel to be standing on my balcony and how it would feel to be sitting on my couch watching Being Mary Jane from Hawaii. This feeling, just manifestation. And to really be experiencing this, I don't even think y'all understand how I feel right now. See? Look at this. Look how close this mountain is to my front door. Yep, the last one at the end. Yeah, me and my daughter. Yeah, me and my 11. Yeah. Ohio.
Ohio?
Yeah. Yeah, we're from Ohio.
Is that an aunt?
Yes. Yes. My name is Chanel.
Hi, Chanel. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
What was it?
Seabree.
Seabree?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. I've never heard that before.
It's mother's breath.
Wow.
I know.
It's great to
We're
meet
not
you.
talking about mine. Go, mother.
Just called down to the office and snitched on me when she saw me because I didn't have my mask on. And when she first said that, of course, out of responding, I'm thinking like typical. But, you know, it is what it is. She was nice. And I kind of expect them to be that way over here because it's a whole lot of retirees over here. A lot of these people retired. A lot of them just kind of renting out the apartments from Vrbo or Airbnb. So, you know, it's to be expected.
Honolulu, take it down to town side. Kalihi, Waikiki,
I gotta go. Love y'all. So we just ordered food from L&L Hawaiian Barbecue. I got the famous Loco Moco. Skyla got, yep. Skyla got Hawaiian barbecue chicken. Yeah, yeah, that's yours. Rice, chicken. You don't gotta eat the macaroni salad because I know you don't want it. You can take it off your plate if you want. And this is the Loco Moco. Thanks a lot. Okay, time to try some more Hawaiian food. This is a leeward omelet with spam and bacon. Don't judge me. And all of the vegetables. Look at all these crabs. Skyla. Hey.
Smile, guys.
Hey,
Smile.
Hey, girl.
Look at it. Smile.
Time change got me exhausted. I think I'll just lay here. Good morning. Good morning, my little girl. Do your schoolwork. Good morning, little girl.
They have luau's over here too.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. I asked somebody before we got here, is the Chief's luau here? And he said, yeah.
Yeah, so it's in here. So some people they go.
Hey, girl.
Hi, Zara. Here.
Auntie said hi.
We only got 2 Bluetooth there. Bye-bye.
The last time I went in the pool.
My daughter. That's beautiful. Those look like huge aloe vera plants. Hey, Skyla. Sometimes trusting yourself don't look the way you would expect it to look. Sometimes trusting yourself looks like you and only you, alone. Trusting yourself. No.
You say, put them on your head.
Yeah. Baby got a yoga Barbie.
Tell me anyway.
You're gonna have to figure out where you want to eat. It's nasty. Canes. I'm getting canes. What you getting?
That's right. Big bag, pussy, not the Bentley.
Looking at this ocean makes me want to go swimming so bad, but I'm so tired. Maybe later. So I don't know if y'all ever heard of Bratman Rock on YouTube. Apparently he lived up the hill there. I love this laundry room view. Doing laundry ain't so bad. Have you guys ever been to Yoke?
Oh yeah.
Is it fun?
Depends on where you go.
Oh, okay.
The cave is right here. Right there.
Oh, that's the cave? Oh,
Have you ever been in there?
Yeah, I have. And then this is where usually the dolphins out here.
Oh.
That's Coast Guard right there. The person that was driving the truck, he ended up colliding into a car that was coming this way. From working back there. If I could work 2 hours, I'd be happy.
Shit. Try to get the ocean. Are you taking a video or a picture?
Hey, idiot.
I don't want a video.
I know.
I want a picture.
So you crossed on the
Oh, that would have sucked.
Ah, duro! You should have got a over-shoulder shot of your mom. Ah, duro! That was it.
She lost the goggles. Catch a dolphin or a whale.
Oh. Trio now. Yeah, it's a trio. It's a